Ubla Kanoik Pizzy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Hey everyone. Today we're going to talk about something that can change the way you think about learning and challenges. It's called a growth mindset. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a growth mindset? Well, let me explain. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities, skills, and intelligence can grow with effort, practice, and learning. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to improve. On the other hand, a fixed mindset is when someone believes their abilities are set in stone, like thinking, I'm just bad at math and I'll never get better. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're learning how to ride a bike. At first, you might fall, feel frustrated, and think you'll never get it. But with a growth mindset, you know that it's okay to make mistakes because every time you try, you're learning something new. That's how you get better. One of the coolest things about a growth mindset is that it teaches us that our mistakes are not bad. They actually help us learn. Instead of feeling down when something's hard or when you don't get it right the first time, you can say, this is tough, but I'll keep trying. With effort and time, you will improve. A big part of having a growth mindset is knowing that it's okay to ask for help and that learning takes time. Whether it's schoolwork, sports, or even something like playing a musical instrument, your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, what does this all mean? It means that no matter where you are right now, you can grow and get better at anything as long as you put in the effort and keep trying. A growth mindset helps you stay positive even when things feel hard because you know that every challenge is an opportunity to learn. Now, before we wrap up, let's circle up and reflect on how we can use a growth mindset in our lives. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's something you found difficult, but with more practice, you know you can get better at? And for grades 6 through 12, your question is, think of a time when you faced a challenge. How would having a growth mindset have helped you approach it differently? This is a great time to pause the video and discuss these things in your circles. With that said, I just want to say, great job today, everyone. Remember, having a growth mindset means believing in yourself and your ability to learn and grow. Keep practicing, stay positive, and don't be afraid to take on challenges. You've got this.